The B-52A first flew in 1954, and the B model entered service in 1955. The official name of the B-52 is Stratofortress. However, it is more known as the Buff in the military community. The big, ugly, fat one B-52 costs $84 million US. It is the only jet in active service with 8 engines. They are the Pratt & Whitney turbofan jet engines. Each engine produces up to 17,000 pounds of thrust. It can fly 8,800 miles without aerial refuel and carry 70,000 pounds of payload. The B-52's performance is seriously impressive, with a maximum takeoff weight being 488,000 pounds. It flies as fast as 655 miles per hour and up to 50,000 feet. During Operation Desert Storm, B-52s conducted a total of 1,620 sorties, dropping 40% of all payload of the entire operation. At the time, it was part of the record for longest distance flown for a combat mission involving a 34-hour, 16,000-mile round trip from Barksdale Air Force Base in Louisiana. The Buff has one of the most unique ejection systems. The crew of 5 each have an ejection seat. The navigator and radar navigator eject downwards, while the pilot, co-pilot, and electronic warfare officer eject upwards. It is extremely effective in ocean surveillance. 2 B-52s can monitor 140,000 square miles, or about 364,000 square kilometers in just about 2 hours, making it a very useful asset in anti-ship